Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simran. So few days ago, like weeks ago, I posted which products you want me to try, and this video is all about that. But before moving further, can you please take a moment, click on the subscribe button so that you can receive the notification every time I upload a new video. So the first product is the Kuray sunscreen. The thing that I actually love about the sunscreen is that it is a physical sunscreen. It has SPF 50, which is good. It has PA triple 3 protection. It means high protection from the sun. Ingredient wise, it is good because it has an aloe vera extract, it has sunflower seed oil, which is good for moisturizing, sealing the moisture. It has buckthorn extract, which is a plant extract, and it has a very good antioxidant property. But the issue that I actually face with this sunscreen is that it shows you the white cast and it gives you a matte look, and I'm not a fan of a matte look. And also it gives me some dry patches, maybe because it's very wintry here. And Indian wise, I love this product, but the issue was the feel. I'm really looking forward to try this in summer because I really feel that it will go better with my oily acne prone skin during that humid temperature during the summer. So guys, the next product is a Dermitecture NMF barrier cream. My sister is using it, she loves it, बट बिकॉज आई हैव टू रिकमेंड टू यू, सो मैं पूरी जासूस बन गई और मैंने यहाँ वहाँ से कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन कुरेदी. एंड द थिंग दैट आई really do not like about this product is that they have mentioned the broad spectrum preservative, and I was like, what is that? At least preservative का नाम तो mention कर दो. So I actually inquired them about the details of the preservative, and then they told me that this is the preservative that they are using. So guys, then they told me कि अगर हमारे पास ये preservative available नहीं होता है तो हम कोई और preservative use करते. So guys, I asked them if Eco is not available, then which preservative they choose, and they didn't revert me back. So guys, I was quite confused कि I am not 100% sure कि जो product मैं order करूँगी उसमें यही preservative होगा या कोई और preservative होगा. Depends upon the availability, and it is very confusing, and I think it's very high time for the company to decide the preservative that they are putting in the product, and at least to mention the preservative on their label, because I think they have a very good product. The ingredient wise they are good, products are good. You cannot work like that कि कभी ये हाथ में आया या कभी वो हाथ में आया और कोई भी preservative use कर लो. Okay, you have to at least mention that into their site or into the product. And I don't think so I will be buying the product until unless I'm 100% sure कि वो कौन सा preservative use कर रही हैं. And this can't keep on going. So the next request was these two creams, and they have fragrance. And I know there is another school of thought that is coming and saying the fragrance is not that bad, it is just not for the sensitive skin, and if it suits you then you go for them. But I actually feel that if I have the option for non-fragrance product or fragrance free product, then why not to choose that. And also, but if my dermatologist is recommending me fragrance product, or if the merit of the fragrance product outweighs the fragrance itself, then definitely I will go for the fragrance product. But personally, I do not prefer fragrance into my moisturizer because I apply my moisturizer sometimes twice a day, thrice a day, sometimes 4 times a day. So it really makes me feel uncomfortable when I am using fragrance. But if you're comfortable with it, then you should go for it. And but I'm really not interested, and I really feel the fragrance is not for my skin and I should avoid it if I can. It was this Derma Vibe cleanser, and it was around 900 rupees, and I really do not want to invest this much amount into my cleanser, because guys, the work of the cleanser is to clean your skin, maintain the pH, and not being too harsh on your skin. And this can be done by any cleanser, like any basic normal cleanser. Like my Cleanse Me pH 5.5 also does that. So I really don't think so that I should be investing that much amount into a cleanser. Especially feel 900 for a cleanser is too much. Like 200 रुपये वाला भी वही करेगा जो 900 रुपये वाला काम करेगा. And it's better to spend your money onto, you know, vitamin C or your night creams or any other thing, but not a cleanser. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you like this video, you enjoy my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.